I think that negative attitudes infect other people, where I've seen that positive attitudes, positive mentalities, have the power to affect other people. And who can tell me briefly how dwarf mistletoe is spread? Huh? Yeah. Does anyone have an idea? Birds? Okay, that's one. Squirrels? Animals? How else does dwarf mistletoe spread? Yes? I've never had one, I wouldn't know. As you so eloquently put it, Aaron, it does burst out like a zit. It's like 50 or 60 feet it can shoot out there. And there's only two ways that a tree can really keep from getting it. It can either be separated far enough from the infected tree, or it can have another species of tree. Let's say if we have some pines with mistletoe in it, if you put a Doug fir in there, it's resistant to that type of mistletoe. That's kind of a little bit like attitude, isn't it? You see, where if there's a person that's infected with that negative attitude, there's really only two ways to keep from getting that yourself. You can either separate yourself when you can from that person, or you can be that other type of tree that's in there that's resistant to that negativity. And here's where we differ from mistletoe. The trees don't have any choice whether they get infected. You do. And if you're thinking, but Jake, it's not me with the negative attitude, it's all those other people, right? Sure it is. But sometimes that is the case. And if you want something to change, where is the very first place you should always start? Right here. Because sometimes that's really the only thing that we do have control over.